India's economy has shown remarkable resilience in the face of various challenges, making it one of the fastest-growing economies in the world. Diverse economic sectors. India's economy is diversified across various sectors such as agriculture, manufacturing, services, and IT, which helps in reducing dependency on any single sector. Robust domestic demand. India's large population and rising middle class create a strong domestic market, which acts as a buffer during global economic downturns. Entrepreneurial spirit. India has a thriving entrepreneurial ecosystem with a large number of startups and small businesses driving innovation and economic growth. Government reforms. The Indian government has implemented several reforms to improve ease of doing business, attract foreign investment, and boost economic growth. Strong banking system. India's banking system is well regulated and stable, providing essential financial support to businesses and individuals during economic uncertainties. Infrastructure development. India has made significant investments in infrastructure development, including transportation, energy, and digital connectivity, to support economic growth. Skilled workforce. India boasts a large pool of skilled and talented workforce, which is essential for driving innovation, productivity, and economic growth. Global trade partnerships. India has established strong trade partnerships with various countries, enabling access to diverse markets and resources for sustained economic growth. Conclusion. India's resilient economy is a result of its diverse economic sectors, robust domestic demand, entrepreneurial spirit, government reforms, strong banking system, infrastructure development, skilled workforce, and global trade partnerships.